to have been played on match day 16 but had to be rained off precisely on Thursday 25th February at the Accra Sports Stadium. Today, players are coming out of the dugout here from Kotoko's borrowed home grounds, the Lenkley Stadium in Obuasi. Kotoko sporting their traditional red colors, exchange pleasantries with the Bechem United players. Moro won the toss. Kotoko kick off. They're playing from right to left. Straight away, Bechem United will get a first touch of the ball. Emmanuel Anos pass couldn't go too far. Throwing advantage to the Porcupine Warriors. Decent cross from Imoro, dealt with solidly by Andy, but straight into the goalkeeper's hands. But this time around, it was a sweet right-footed shot from Abdul Ganiyu, zoomed straight into the net for the first goal for the Porcupine Warriors. Set on or laid up pass by Fabio Gama to Ganiyu, shot straight into the net. Too powerful for the goalkeeper Daniel Afaju to keep. So Hafiz Konkoni and his Chargers had to fight, and fight they did. That opportunity came to Charles. Nothing happened to it. Augustine Okra also had an opportunity, but he shot wide. It's committed in the 18-yard box. Boachi floats it in. Moro heads on. Cleared out by Jamfi. But the pressure is still on. Ibrahim Moro throws one away. Can Mudasiru get to it? Mudasiru is still going strong. Solid tackle. And again, it's going to be a patient build-up from Kumasi Asante Kotoko as they would work themselves into their opponent's territory. This time around is a long kick from Razaka Balora, putting pressure on the defense. It's picked up by Augustine Okra. Lays on the pass for Fabio Gama. 2 matches, 2 goals. Fabio Gama is hot like fire.
Yeah, Fabio Gama is hot. This time he didn't score with the unfavorable right foot. This one he fell on the left foot, but he was precise. He took it with a lot of power, blasting home from close range.
And you take a look at the goalkeeper once again, you realize that he was moving to his right side, but he shot the ball to his left side. That's some quick thinking from Fabio Gama.
Tremendous strike.
Lovely pass laid through, but unfortunately Charles left the ball behind. Referee brings the first half to an end, and it's been quite an eventful first half. First half ended 2 goals to the good for Kotoko. Bechem United kickstarts the second half and are playing from right to left. Isiama now sends a cross into the 18-yard box. A woeful clearance. Isiama once again. Moro this time with a cross. Oh, sweet goal. Sweet goal. And the man has finally registered his name on the score sheet after missing a few chances in the first half. Francis Andy Kumi gets his name on the score sheet. Kotoko are up by 3.
I mean, you could feel all day long he has the instincts to put the ball at the back of the net. And that was a wonderful cross and a brilliant header from Andy Kumi. I'm happy for the young chap. You know, Ghazali spoke more about him and he said, look, we brought this boy in to replace Kwame Opoku. If he scores today, his confidence is going to go high rocketing and he will be putting the ball at the back of the net. I'm happy for him.
And the Kotoko bench has been justified by him getting a goal this afternoon. Hafiz Konkoni tried to turn through. Pass couldn't go through. Advantage will stay with Kumasi Asante Kotoko, so says the referee. Kotoko take it over. This is Ripon. Ripon lays a pass. Good skill by Mudasiru. And he recovers the ball again, and he's been fighting for every loose ball since the match started. Isiama with a shot. Side netting, goal kick advantage. Isiama now moves into the 18-yard box, sets up the pass. Quick reflexes from the goalkeeper, but Kotoko should have scored from this angle. Lost the opportunity. Fabio comes in with a drive and it misses by a few inches. To it, Vinicius lays on a pass, and so far cleanly done by Kotoko. Unfortunately, Sami took his eye off the ball for a second, got it back. Fabio, lovely pass from Augustine Okra. Augustine Okra gets it back again, but he doesn't. Shot is fired on target against the goalpost, and Vinicius gets a goal in the right place at the right time. Lucky goal for Brazilian import Vinicius.
You will love the build-up. here you see Samuel Frimpong with that wonderful pass. And look at the chip from Gama and the back heel from Augustine Okra, and it was looking good. First of all, Isiama with that strike, hitting the post there, and Vinicius will finish it up with a second touch of the ball. Again, you see that wonderful chip and the back heel, so sweet from Augustine Okra. And Isiama had to hit that sweetly, hit the goalpost, and that was Michael Vinicius da Silva. And referee Jacob Adunteri will whistle for the end of the game here at the Lenclair Stadium.